How to restore your mouse cursor setting back to default in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, click the search icon at bottom left corner on your taskbar and then open the search bar. Type Control Panel and you need to select it from the results. Click Open to access Control Panel. From the space, click on Devices and Printer. Then you'll land on this page where you have to scroll down and then locate mouse. Click to open it. And here you need to simply scroll down and choose mouse pointer under related settings. And from here you can easily click on default mouse pointer or the cursor which is white. And here you can easily make it to default size, that is 1 as well. And after that, you will easily restore your mouse cursor settings back to default in Windows 11. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.